Hello there, welcome to Investor Labs. My name is Emmanuel Titebayefe, popularly known as Mr. Sen and also known as Nano X. Alright, so today we are going to be learning how to buy cryptocurrency on gate.io, alright, using the P2P marketplace. Alright, here is a step-by-step tutorial for you. Alright, so, and if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so that when I post new videos you will be the first to get notified. All right, and this is another way to say thank you for the free tutorial you are getting, because I put in more time and some hours and efforts just to get this done. All right, so without wasting our time, without more stories and histories that are not necessary to this tutorial, let's head over to my screen, because I'll be sharing my screen. So I'm going to be using my PC for this tutorial. All right, so let's head over to I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. Let me just quickly set up something. Okay, we are in. I'm going to head over to gate.io. I already signed in with my gate.io account. I use the QR code to sign in. So if you don't have gate.io account, fine, you can always use the comment section. Let me know that, oh, I need tutorial on how to get my gate.io and also verify my account, because you need to verify your account, you need to get your KYC done so you'll be able to use the platforms without any restrictions. All right, so for now we are going to be heading to gate.io. So here is my dashboard, and you see buy crypto, market, trade features, launch, and bots, copy, moments, web3, institutional. Then you see the deposit button. So in this particular page you're going to be clicking buy crypto, as you can see on your screen. Then when we get to buy crypto, I'm doing this tutorial majorly because of Nigerians, because if you're outside Nigeria, you might likely be able to buy this any coin you want to buy with your card. All right, so but for now, since I can't use my card to make payments, maybe I don't have access to dollar card, then I'll be using the P2P marketplace. That is, I'll be buying from crypto vendors who are available to sell for me. All right, so now when you hover with your mouse, you see buy crypto, you see express buy crypto. So I'll be clicking on P2P, zero fees. You are not paying any fees when you're using the P2P marketplace. So I'll be clicking P2P, then it's going to take me to the P2P marketplace. All right, but if you are using your mobile phone, you can go ahead and click the deposit button. You see the deposit button, as you can see on your screen. You click the deposit button, then you click on P2P. Then when you click on P2P, you will see vendors who are selling. All right, so before that, and if you need more extensive and step-by-step tutorial on how to buy crypto using P2P marketplace with your mobile phone, that's the gate.io app on your mobile phone, then kindly use the comment section that I will make a tutorial based on that. All right, for now I'm going to be using the PC, and I'll not be talking much about the mobile app. So it's open, the P2P marketplace is already open, and you can see this person that has verification required, wherever maybe this person has not been verified, so he's not able to make any sales. You understand? So he probably needs more verification, or somebody reported him for something or whatever. So this person, Lady YL or Lady L, you see this person is somehow verified, is online, and he has performed. Now this person has executed over 1,100 orders with 96% rate. So if you want to use the P2P marketplace, you need to look at these factors. You see this person is online and he has executed 1,185 orders, 96% rate, success rate, 20 minutes. All right, and this person price, the price per USDT, so we are going to be using USDT as a reference coin. All right, so even if you want to buy other coins, the P2P marketplace is easier to buy USDT then convert from USDT to any coin you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Tron. If you come to the P2P marketplace, you are not going to see Tron easily to buy, so you need to buy USDT. Then when you buy the USDT, you now convert it to your Tron, then send to whatever platform you are sending to. All right, so if you are sending to a platform that is trading, a private platform, you are advised to use your non-custodial wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, all right, or your Phantom wallet, because if you are sending from exchanges to another exchanges or a firm that is trading privately, due to the policies that this two platform has, you might not receive that fund, you might lose that fund totally. So you have to be very careful of the kind of platform you are using. So always make sure you send from exchanges to your non-custodial wallet. All right, so let's go back to the screen, and you see that this person is selling for 1,126 naira per dollar, because one USDT is also means $1. All right, even if it's a cryptocurrency coin, it means $1. So this person, well, that's okay. This person is selling, and this person has from 30, the minimum you can buy from this person is 30 USDT to 52 USDT maximum. All right, then you also see this person that has Anarchy Media. This person is higher. When you enter the P2P marketplace, when you scroll down, the lower you scroll, the more you scroll down, the higher the price becomes. All right, so the first price you see on the P2P marketplace is definitely going to be the lowest price. That's the cheapest price. That's how the P2P marketplace works. You will see the cheapest price first. All right, so this person is selling for 1,527. Why this person is selling for 1,526? You are definitely going to go for this person. But what if you want to buy $10 worth of USDT, and this person say the minimum you can buy from here is $30? That means you can buy from this person. Now this person that is selling for 1,527.10 is selling from $1. All right, and this person has a total of 34 USDT, which means you can buy from this person if you want to buy $10 worth of USDT. So this person also has 1,529 and stuff. I hope you are getting this. Can you use the comment section and tell me right on if you understand what I'm trying to say in this particular part? All right, so this is what they call P2P marketplace. So when I click on buy, for example, let me say I want to click on buy from this person that is selling for $1, and I click on buy USDT. You see that provide the basic information: nationality Nigeria, country of residence I live in Nigeria, my first name is Emmanuel. I'll say okay, Emmanuel. Then my last name, which is my surname, my father's name, is Sitamaife. Then certificate type, I can say driver's license, national ID. I have a driver's license. I choose a driver's license. I can enter my ID number. So since I have my driver's license, I'm going to put in the driver's license ID. So my ID is, I'm going to use this. I'm going to be blurring this place because it's a private information. I wouldn't want to start running helter-skelter to verify why somebody used my information to go and do something else. All right, so I'm going to so I've put in my ID, my driver's license ID number. All right, so I'll click on next step. When you click on next step, choose how to do face recognition. All right, scan facial recognition with PC camera, scan code with gates.io app recommended. So should I use since I'm dealing with PC, I'm going to be using my PC. That means if your PC does not have a webcam, you can use the gates.io app, but since my PC has a webcam, I'm going to choose facial recognition with PC. Then I'm going to click what, next step. All right, so they are taking me to another organization that deals with KYC verification. They call Jumio. So I'm going to be using Jumio to do the verification. So start, I'm going to start the verification. I click on start. You can also use the mobile number. So I will say allow this time camera in use. All right, I think it's telling me no camera available. So since it's telling me no camera available on this, I couldn't use this app. Definitely they didn't recognize my camera, and I'm going to click on use mobile phone. All right, okay, sorry, there was an error, something I didn't explain before. If you see this person, that is say Chima X, you see this bank card, it means you can only pay via bank card. Then this person that is showing bank card, OPay or PalmPay, means you can do transfer to this person. Now I'm going to click on this person and click on buy USDT. All right, so I'm clicking on buy USDT because this person has bank card, OPay and PalmPay, which means I can transfer to this person since I'm buying from this person. Now it brought out its identity verification, so I'll click on next. So it says scan code with gate.io app. All right, so I'm gonna use I'm gonna scan this code with this because um when I tried using the facial recognition with PC camera, the app or whatever software they brought out didn't recognize my PC camera, and I don't have the time to start fixing that right now. And it also brought out an option to upload the back and front of the ID using the PC, but I don't have that file on my system, so I don't have that time in order not to waste your time. All right, so I'm going to use the gate.io app on my mobile phone. All right, so I'm just going to click on my profile. If you click on my profile, as you can see on the screen, then you see this scan logo. You see that scan logo, you click on it, that you scan. You see how it shows I'm doing it, then you click on it and scan the, so you click on it and scan the barcode. All right, so now after clicking the buy USDT, this particular interface pops up on your screen. Before this place pops up, you must have verified your identity. All right, so let's say before I said I wanted to buy 10 for example, but for this purpose I'm going to choose 16 because the person allows you to buy the minimum of 15 USDT to 62 USDT maximum. All right, so I'm going to be choosing now you say I will pay. You see a number here, random number here. This is not what we are paying. I want to buy 16 USD, so I'm going to type in 16. All right, 16 USD to know how much it costs in naira at the rate of 1,530, all right, per dollar. So I'll click on 16, that's 16 USDT. So 16, I type 16 USDT. That means I'm paying 24,480. All right, that's how much I'm going to be paying to get 16 USDT. All right, so I will scroll down to see the instructions. All right, so you see that you see 30-day trades 1,429, 30-day completion rate 93%, payment time 20 minutes, which is too, I don't really like this. 20 minutes is too long. All right, average time 10 minutes, deposit 100 USDT. No third party, terms of trade, no third party payment, fast deals, and don't forget to give me a star on it. So no third party payment means that when you are buying with your account, with your gate.io account, make sure you are paying from the same name of your bank account. Don't buy and ask another person to make the transfer to the account. It won't count. You might lose that money. All right, because it's a kind of an automated system that enables them to verify that you have actually made payment. All right, that's why they told you to do your KYC and stuff like that. All right, so when you are making the transfer and stuff like that, make sure you are transferring from your own bank account with the same name on your gate.io account. All right, so I'll click on buy USDT and make the transfer based on the account provided. So let's say I need to verify my address. So after verifying your address and everything, you follow the prompt, copy the account address that will be made available to you paste it on your app and send from your account, and also put in the ID number as the reference of the transactions. All right, so that they'll be able to track it. All right, so if you have any other question, kindly hit me and use the comment section. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.